Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva CV templates. First, navigate to Canva's website and search for Resume or CV templates. You'll find thousands of professionally designed options. Take your time to browse through the extensive library and select a template that truly resonates with your industry and personal style. This initial choice is crucial for setting the right tone for your application, ensuring it stands out from the very beginning. Pick one that feels right for you. Once you've chosen your ideal template, it's time to make it uniquely yours. Click on any text box to easily edit and input your personal details, work experience, and educational background. Don't hesitate to experiment with different fonts and color schemes to reflect your personality, perhaps using one or two primary colors. You can also upload a professional headshot or any relevant images to enhance your profile, making it visually engaging and memorable for recruiters. This step truly brings your CV to life. Now, let's focus on the content itself. When filling in your sections, use clear and concise language, avoiding jargon where possible. For your experience, highlight your achievements with quantifiable results, such as increased sales by 15% or managed a team of 5 people. This demonstrates your impact effectively. Ensure consistent formatting across all elements, from bullet points to headings, to maintain a polished and professional appearance. A well-structured CV makes a strong impression. Finally, before you share your masterpiece, take a critical moment to proofread your entire CV thoroughly. Check for any typos, grammatical errors, or inconsistencies in your contact information. A flawless document speaks volumes about your attention to detail. Once satisfied, download your completed CV in a high-quality PDF format, which is universally accepted and preserves your design. You are now ready to confidently share your professional document with potential employers and take the next step in your career journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.